Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I want to show you, apart from lodging in a hotel, we can also stay in apartment houses. So, right now, I'm in the apartment house for the flight crew, and I want to show you what it looks like. This is the living room. It's actually a two-bedroom. So, this is the living room. Dining. Let me show you what the kitchen looks like. Mm. So this is the fridge, oven, microwave, washing machine. So we'll go to the rooms. My colleague and I were here. My colleague has an early morning flight. I am on early morning standby. So like I said, we report very early for early morning. Standby reports at the same time with early morning flights. So let me show you what my room looks like. Okay. So this is my room. So what do you think? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section what you think about the apartment house. Hi, hi, hi. Good morning.